Hello students, I am Dr. Tanmay Vishwas. I welcome you all in my channel Chemistry the Mystery of Molecules. I hope you all are fine. So today we are going to discuss a multiple choice question about reaction of osmium tetroxide. Okay. For that purpose I have selected this molecule and this example I have selected for you. So your target is to find out what is the right answer. And for that purpose I have provided 4 options to get the right answer. Okay. So, as usual, I request you please pause the video and try to solve by yourself, and definitely at the end of this discussion, I shall provide you the explanation. So, please do it. I hope you have paused the video and tried by yourself. So, I shall give you now answer. Now, question is that if you are able to answer this question, I appreciate your effort as well as knowledge. And this is a very good thing that your quality is improved. Okay. So at this situation, I will not give you the answer. I will come slowly. But before going to details, some important information you must remember. What? Reaction of osmium tetroxide ether. So actually this is a cis-diol formation reaction. Number 1 point, cis-diol formation. And number 2 of this process is, first one is cis-diol formation. Second one is from less hindered side. If I say this, I believe you should be able to answer the question. Okay. And another interesting point, look at the reagent. As usual, I always say look at the reagent. This is not catalytic, this is stoichiometric. Okay. So this is the advantage that is why this is the oxidizing agent. Okay. There are some examples when it could be used as a catalytic, and some another oxidant like N oxides could be used to regenerate it such that the expense of this reagent could be minimized. Okay, that's not the issue for today's discussion. So, first of all, when you get any such kind of question, what first you do? Since there is a cyclohexane type ring system, it is needed that you must write this. Okay, and remember, okay. So you must write this is the structure of the molecule. By the way, you can argue that sir, why this you could have been drawn this thing. Okay, no, sorry. This is the 5-member ring. So this. And you could have been written methyl group in this way. Why this? See, previous in all the options I have given. In any case, I have provided this methyl in equatorial position. No. So from that, you need to understand what I am asking you. Okay. So this cannot provide any of the options. So not possible. So this is not given. Actually, this is not given. Actually given this one. Okay, so I believe such kind of things are common sense, and it develops by first of all practice, logical practice every day, and second cool mind at the exam hall. Okay, so this we understood. Now question, what will happen? We know that osmium tetroxide reacts with double bond, and how this reaction occurs. For example, if we take a simple double bond, so this is osmium tetroxide, this, okay. We know that osmium tetroxide is an oxidizing agent. So what it does? First of all, it attacks this. So this is right now plus 8 oxidation state. So at next stage, what we will do? So it's a 5-member ring formation will occur. This, sorry, not double bond is quenched. So this, and here one double bond, another double bond, and see this is actually not 7. This is plus 6 oxidation state. So previously plus 1 to plus. So this is actually the oxidation of alkene, point number 1. And another thing, is it called cis-diol formation through a cis-osmate ester. So this is a cis-diol formation from cis-osmate ester. Now question, how the diol would be? Simple hydrolysis. And for that purpose, what is needed? This sodium bisulfite in ether medium. So in this case, what it result? This result diol plus, better to say H2OSO4. and in this case osmium is +6 oxidation state. So in the overall example, who is oxidized and who is reduced? So this is oxidized, alkene is oxidized, osmium is reduced. Fine, we understood. Now this thing, the basic mechanism. Now we have to apply this question. As I told, another point from less hindered side. So this is a double bond. You may consider that this double bond is in the plane, and above this side methyl, this side no. So where from less hindered side it will transfer? So in this case, this below side is less hindered. Okay, so this below side, let us write it here. So this is less hindered. Fine. Now question, so what will be the first product of this? So in this case, this is the methyl, this. Now, what is called cis fashion transfer? I'll come. This is the product structure is this one. I will give you. So this is osmium, this. By the way, you may say that, sir, you are writing this. Instead of that, if you write this thing, will it be right or wrong? And another thing, do some good practice for drawing cyclohexane. Majority of students make mistake. This and this is OA. This is OS. This is one. This is one. So this is also a 6-member ring, but actually this is not cis. Okay, how? Just eliminate this part in order to reduce the complication. So means this is not actually cis. Now just forget those parts. Then that's why it is not, since it is not cis, it will not form. Why? Just flip the ring. In equilibrium, flip. So what will be the product? So this will go up. This. Now this oxygen is here. So this. Let me, this is A, this is B. So this is A, and what? This is oxygen is B. So right now see, it's a trans. Proof of this thing that another thing, cis trans is position, relative position, that cannot be changed. So these both are trans. Okay, so this not possible. Why? Because as I told that this transfer is actually a cis transfer. Okay, so that option where these two thing, this means two both equatorial of hydroxyl, not possible. Now this, so if you hydrolyze this, what will be the product? There here hydrolysis will occur. So in this case it will result, this is OH, this is OH. Why not other one? Other one means here hydroxyl up, this is equatorial, because then osmium tetroxide need to react from the side where methyl group is there. So this will provide steric hindrance. Okay, so reaction cannot occur from this side. So ultimately from bottom side, so less hindered side, so osmium tetroxide will attack from this side, less hindered side. So this is the final product. Okay, so and another thing, trans is not possible, means I have through equilibrium I have shown. So this is the overall discussion of how the reaction occurs. Okay, so what we have learned from this, that osmium tetroxide's addition happens and ultimately resulted in cis from less hindered side. Okay, so this is the overall understanding and the mechanism I have given, which one is oxidized, which one is reduced. Now the question is, if such question comes to your exam within 30 seconds, how can you get the right answer? And the best way of getting the right answer within 30 seconds is, first of all, you need to understand something. What is the position of methyl? Based on all the options, you need to understand this is actually not this, this is this. Point number one. See, so if this is, and you in the exam hall, you have to draw this structure. Okay, and if you draw it, instantly you understand that osmium tetroxide is responsible for cis hydroxylation, and second point from less hindered side. So those 2 points you need to remember. Then this, and another thing, if transfer happens from this, then this is possible. Okay, not since not above side, so this is not possible. Okay, so this is not possible. And another thing, what I told, these two are equatorial, that is actually not cis. And you should learn this from cyclohexane type system, which I shall try to teach after some times. So this is actually an overall thing for the understanding. So what is left? This one. Okay. So this is in this way, if you just understand in less than 30 seconds, you can find out what is the right answer. So for that purpose, first cool mind, second the information, third is practice essential. So wherever you find MCQ, please do practice. And whoever find out the right answer, I congratulate them because of this achievement. So thank you everyone. If you really like my teaching, I request you please help my channel to grow. First of all, subscribe my channel Chemistry the Mystery of Molecule, and please press the bell icon to get the notification of every single video I upload. Secondly, share this with your friends. They can such that they can enjoy the benefit. Most importantly, to encourage me, please like the video and make some good comments because it satisfies a lot. So thank you again. Stay happy, stay blessed. See you in my next video.